Hey team, welcome to AS Academy. I'm Harini and today we'll be looking at the current affairs of March 15, 2021. So without much delay, let's get into the first question. So the first question is, the cabinet has recently approved to increase the FDI limits in the insurance sector to what percent? So the answer is option D, 74%. So it is the amendment of Insurance Act 1938 to increase the permissible foreign direct investment limit in insurance sector from 49% to 74%. So it is an amendment of Insurance Act 1938 to increase the permissible foreign direct investment limit in the insurance sector from 49 to 74%. Then moving on to the next question. So the second question is, which state has begun its famous Swarnam International Shivaratri Fair in the state? So the answer is option B, Himachal Pradesh. So Himachal Pradesh has begun its famous Swarnam International Shivaratri Fair, and the theme of this year's event is 50 Glorious Year of Himachal Pradesh. Then moving on to the next question. So the third question is, which day of the year is celebrated as the International Day of Mathematics globally? So the answer is option D, March 14. So we celebrate International Day of Mathematics on 14th March. And the theme of the International Day of Mathematics is Mathematics for a Better World. So the theme is Mathematics for a Better World. Then moving on to the next question. The first Quadrilateral Leaders Virtual Summit has held which country is not a part of the Quad nation? So the answer is option C, China. So China is not a part of Quad nation. Quad nations are Japan, Australia, United States, and it also includes India. So these are the four countries. They are the member of Quad nations. So then moving on to the next question. So the fifth question is, in 2021, India is observing which edition of Dandi March celebration that was led by Mahatma Gandhi? So the answer is option A. We celebrate the 91st edition of Dandi March led by Mahatma Gandhi. Then moving on to the next question. So the sixth question is, what is the theme of the first meeting of BRICS Contact Group on Economic and Trade Issues? So the answer is option A, BRICS at 15, Intra-BRICS Cooperation for Continuity, Consolidation and Consensus. So the first meeting theme of BRICS Contact Group on Economic and Trade Issue is BRICS at 15, Intra-BRICS Cooperation for Continuity, Consolidation and Consensus. And the full form of BRICS is Brazil, Russia, India, China and South Africa. So the full form of BRICS is Brazil, Russia, India, China and South Africa. Then moving on to the next question. So the seventh question is, which ministry has launched a portal called Atmanirbhar Niveshak Mitra portal? So the answer is option C, Ministry of Commerce and Industry. So it is a portal launched by Ministry of Commerce and Industry, and the Union Minister of Commerce and Industry is Piyush Goyal. And Atmanirbhar Niveshak Mitra is a portal for information dissemination, hand-holding and facilitation of domestic investors. So Atmanirbhar Niveshak Mitra is a portal for information dissemination and holding and facilitation of domestic investors. So then moving on to the next question. So the eighth question is, the Department of Telecommunications has launched a new online certificate course on which technology? So the answer is option A, 5G technology. So the Department of Telecommunication has launched a new online certificate course on 5G technology, and this course will be conducted by the National Telecommunication Institute for Policy Research, Innovation and Training. So it will be conducted by the National Telecommunication Institute for Policy Research, Innovation and Training. Then moving on to the next question. So the ninth question is, India's first centralized air-conditioned railway terminal, S.M. Vishveshwaraya Terminal, has been set up in which city? So the answer is option B, Bengaluru. So India's first centralized air-conditioned Sir M. Vishveshwaraya Terminal has been set up in Bangalore, and it is inaugurated on March 15. So it is inaugurated on March 15. And then moving on to the next question. So the 10th question is, which company has launched Wheels of Love, a holistic program to support parenthood? So the answer is option D, Tata Motors. So Tata Motors has launched Wheel of Love, a holistic program to support parenthood. And Wheel of Love is a book. It is a book which helps a new and expectant parent to manage their family and fulfill their career goals. So then moving on to the next question. So the 11th question is, what is the theme of 2021 International Day of Mathematics? As we already discussed, the theme of International Day of Mathematics is option D, Mathematics for a Better World. And we celebrate the International Day of Mathematics on March 14. So we celebrate the International Day of Mathematics on March 14, and the theme is Mathematics for a Better World. Then moving on to the next question. So the 12th question is, the Global Ayurveda Festival 2021 was which edition of the annual Ayurveda Festival? So the answer is option D, 4th. So the Global Ayurveda Festival was the 4th edition of the annual Ayurveda Festival, and the Global Ayurveda Festival was addressed by the Prime Minister Narendra Modi. It was addressed by the Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Then moving on to the next question. So the 13th question is, the World Road Track Day is observed on which date? So the answer is option B, March 13. So the World Road Track Day is observed on March 13, and the theme of the World Road Track Day is Be the Change You Want to See in the World. So the theme is Be the Change You Want to See in the World. Then moving on to the next question. So the 14th question is, the sounding rocket RH-560 has been launched by ISRO. This RH-560 belongs to which series of sounding rocket of ISRO? So the answer is option B, Rohini. So the sounding rocket RH-560 was launched by ISRO, and this belongs to the series of sounding rocket of Rohini, and it was launched from Satish Dhawan Space Center in Sriharikota. So it was launched from Satish Dhawan Space Center in Sriharikota, and the chairman of ISRO is K. Shivan. And the chairman of ISRO is K. Shivan. So that's it. We are done for the day, and thank you for watching our video. And if you think that we are doing good, please let us know in the comment section below, and meet you in my next video. Till then, bye. It's me, Harini, signing off.